Hello, good morning, guys. This is SK. I hope you all did very well last evening, doing your recap, doing your homework, and you're ready to do some trading today. I'm kind of already, last week or last day of the month, there are a few things which I add on my chart. Is one thing, this red line is added. This red line is the close of last month, the previous month. This is the present month, this is the previous month. So we have added this line here, which is 22.23, and we have added this black line here, which was the high of the last month, the previous month. So these lines have been added. Overall, the chart looks like it's neutral. Like we are in the middle of it. We can see the sell-off. We can see, I don't know. I mean, like it's very the chart is very stubborn right now. It's not giving any information. Let's go to the 4-hour chart where we can get some kind of information for our day trading. Over here, if you see, this is the last month close, and I mean, like, this is a parabolic wedge. Like over here also, this seems like, like it's coming down, and or you can say we can go kind of a sideways here. No, I don't think so. Sideways, like it looks like, I thought if we go sideways we can make head and shoulder, but no. This looks like either we have to bounce from here and go up. If we break down from this level, and let's add one thing more. Okay. Nope. 1 second. Price level. I mean, these are the few bottom targets which I see. Like as of now, I think we are going down. If we break this blue trend line, we bounced from here yesterday. Everything happened yesterday. Like we bounced, we see a good aggressive buying from here. But if we break it today, then I think we are. Let me do that. Okay. If we break down here, this blue trend line, we are going down. I will short for quick 2-3 points. There is no swing trading in my opinion. Do you want to buy here? I'm not sure. I'm not very bullish as of now. Like I need to end this month and we need to go to the next month, which is tomorrow, and the following week to see where is the direction. As of now, it's sideways to pull back. Let's see here. Over here, if we poke this blue trend line, I will buy some positions. I will buy a few positions to see if we can bounce back. If you see, this is kind of a rectangle, and this rectangle is about to break. So buy something over here. If it break here, we're gonna test this. If we break 22.49, we're gonna test 22.23. So everything is related to this blue trend line. Over here, my focus is here. First hour, second hour, half an hour, 15 minute. Whenever we test this blue trend line, I'll decide. I think at open we can see some kind of a, this is they're testing the breakout. Like they're testing the breakout here. But for now, if we see the sell off at the open, we test this. I'll wait. I'll not go aggressive. I'll go 2, 3, 4 contracts here and there. Take a point, take a tick, whatever it comes. Just take it. Lose a tick, lose a point. It's more of a day when we have to manage our risk, manage our loss, and see what best we can take out of the market. There is no direction. Market makers do not decided which way they are going as of now, but the computers, most of the trading is done by algorithms. So computers, they don't have emotions. They are looking at this trend line here, which is blue trend line, and most likely I'm pretty sure, I think we should and we have to test this blue trend line somehow going sideways. And if we break below, the target will be this, or kind of this 51. Like target will be lower, like somewhere in this area. And if we break towards 22.49, there will be no stop. We have to test this 22.23. And I think, like I personally think we can go sideways. Once we break this, we can see aggressive sell out right away, and then we can, it all my decision of the direction is only going to decide with this blue trend line. Let me make it a little bit smaller so that you can see where this blue trend line is coming. This is a blue trend line, guys. This is a parabolic wedge, and this is the blue trend line where I'm looking at either break down or support or whatever, whichever way a market wants to take it. Like I'm with the market, I'm not against the market. You see some kind of a buying going here with these tails on a breakout trend line, so we can see bounce here. I'm not sure. I think we need to see some kind of a sell off before we see the bounce. Sell off means they're testing this blue trend line, and then we can see, okay, we're going for the next level up. I hope we all do very good today. I'm trading these days in Interactive Brokers. They had given me a very big break on the commission on overall. Many times in TD Ameritrade I couldn't find the short positions, so I'm trying to trade either in TradeStation or IB. Like Interactive Brokers. But like this platform is very TD Ameritrade platform is very easy. It's very simple. It's very easy to learn on it. Like once you learn on it, I keep this account to draw my trend lines and have focus on it. This is TD Ameritrade is a great charting account. A great trend lines, great. It's a very friendly platform. Like it's very easy to consumers. So again, quickly, it can break down. I think we have to test this blue trend line, poke somewhere around here and then bounce, then we'll see what happens. If it break down here, we can see flush, and then we can see, if we see flush here, then then this high will be high for a few months. Like, so let's see where we are. Let's focus on a day. Is, if we test this, buy a little bit to see some kind of a bounce. If we go below with the confirmation on a 15-20 minute chart, if we go below a 15-30 minute chart, if we go below, sell the follow through. It's more of a scalping. I will not be looking for 4-6 points. I'll be looking for 1 point, a tick. If I'm lucky, sometimes I lose a tick, lose a point, and then it's more of a day when newcomers should not be trading this. Let's see what happens with this blue trend line, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good luck. Have a great day. See you on Twitter. Bye bye.